Today I'm going to be opening Melissa and Doug's doorbell house. It has 4 working doorbells, 4 locks, and 4 sets of keys. This is such an adorable house. It has 4 different colored doors. This is the blue door with number 1 on it. It has a lock and it has a doorbell. Turn the house and we have the red door, door number 2 with a lock and a doorbell. Turn it again. We have the purple door, door number 3 with a lock and a doorbell. Turn it again. We have door number 4, the green door, has a lock and a doorbell. Also, it comes with 4 little friends. We have George, we have Lucy, we have Melissa, and we have Doug. Each one of them has a door on the house, so we're going to ring their doorbells and see if they are home. Now let's ring doorbell number 1 and see who's at home. It's Doug. Hi, Doug. Hello, everyone. Doug is at home. Now let's go to doorbell number 2 and ring the doorbell and see who's home. It is George. Hi, George. George is at home. Let's turn it to door number 3 and see who's at home. Ooh, I like the ringing. Lovely doorbell. Door number 3. There she is. It's Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Hi, everyone. There she is. Okay, let's turn now and ring doorbell number 4. No one seems to be answering this door. I'm coming, I'm coming. Who is it? It's Melissa. Sorry I'm late, I was doing the dishes. Hello, Melissa. Melissa is home. That was fun, everyone was at home. Now we're going to learn how to use the keys for the house. So we'll turn it back around to door number 1. George has arrived home. He is going to take his key and open the front door. So we look for key number 1, which matches door number 1. We're going to insert it and open it up so George can arrive home. Oh, but wait, look what George has for us. He has a special surprise. Let's open the surprise and see what's in it. Oh, I love Shopkins. These are Shopkins from the Food Fair collection. Let's open them up and see what's inside. See what our little surprise is. Look at that. It's Jelly Bee. Let's open our other package and see what we get. It's Flutter Cake. Isn't she cute? Oh, she looks so delicious. Jelly Bee and Flutter Cake. Behind door number 1. Let's see what's hiding behind door number 2. George is home. Let's let him into his little house. Take the key, find number 2, and open the door. Oh my goodness, there's another surprise. Shopkins Happy Place. Let's open it up and see what's inside the box. In the box there was a little stand for the Happy Place Shopkins. Let's see what we've got. From Kitty's Kitchen, we got the scale. Look at how cute it is. Little mint green with the pink scale on top. In the next bag, we have the scoop, also from Kitty's Kitchen. I think we'll put the scoop right on top of the scale. Oh, we have the tiny little strawberries. They're so small. Yeah, we'll put them right inside the scoop. Thanks, Doug. That was fun. Now let's go to door number 3. Lucy just got back. We're going to open Lucy's door. Lucy's door is door number 3. Take your key and open the door. What's inside? It's the Shopkins Petkin backpacks. Surprises. They're so cute, the little Petkin backpacks, mint green and pink. Open them up, and there are 2 Shopkins surprises. Open the first one. Oh, look, it's a sprinkly cake. Isn't she just adorable? With her cute little pink lips and her yellow bow. Stick her with her Petkin backpack. Now let's open the next Shopkins surprise. And who do we have here? It's Walter Watering Can. Isn't he adorable? Put him with his pink Petkin backpack. There we go. And we'll close the door. Now let's go to door number 4. And here comes Melissa. Ring the doorbell, Melissa. Let's take the keys and open door number 4. Let's see. Is there a surprise? Yes! It's a frozen egg. Hey, and there's Olaf and Elsa. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It's a special surprise. Yummy chocolate. Nice chocolate egg here. Have a bowl so I can eat my chocolate later. And here's our surprise. Let's open it up. And what do we have here? Look at that. We have an Elsa ring. Isn't that just beautiful? And lock the door so no one can get our Elsa ring. Thanks, Melissa. Now that we're finished playing, I'm going to put my friends back in their houses. Doug is blue, so he goes in the blue door, door number 1. He's going in with his Shopkins surprises. And we'll lock the door. And door number 2 is George's house. George is red and the door is red. Put George inside with his Happy Place Shopkins. Ring his doorbell. We'll go to door number 3, which is Lucy's house. And Lucy's going to go inside with her Petkin backpacks and Shopkins friends. Bye, Lucy. And then we'll lock Lucy's door. And we'll ring her doorbell for fun. Yes. And then we'll go to door number 4, which is Melissa's house. In you go, Melissa. Melissa's got the lovely Elsa ring. Yes, she's gonna put that in there. And we'll lock her door. Key number 4. She's behind the green door, and we'll just ring her doorbell, make sure it works. And that's it. What a super fun house. Everyone's home safe and sound.